B-R-A-I-N-W-A-V-E. Brainwave!
Hello, everyone. We are ready with our today's episode of Brainwave. And today we have our team from school number 20, right? And the other team is school number 58. And I'm very glad to welcome both of the teams. I would like to ask everyone here what their hobby is. I will tell mine first. My hobby would be playing the piano. I enjoy it very much since I was 5 years old. And now I would like our judge to introduce himself and also tell everyone what his hobby is.
Hello and welcome back. My name is Titik Tokhtoir. I am currently a teacher at Faro. In terms of hobbies, my favorite hobby is to draw, but I don't have much time to do that, so currently I'm just studying.
Okay, thank you very much. And now let's meet both of our teams. So first let's start with Team Crystalline. And I would like for you guys to introduce yourselves, where you study, and tell us what your hobbies are.
Hello, my name is Ning Jung, and I'm 15 years old and I study in the 20th school. My hobbies are digital drawing and I guess listening to music.
Hello everyone, my name is Muxten. I'm 17 years old. I'm a member of a Crystalline, and my biggest hobby is playing basketball and watching some sport matches.
Hi, my name is Botamishit and I study in 20th school, and my hobby is drawing and playing mobile games.
Hello everyone, my name is Nandirtan and I study at 20th school, and my hobbies are playing basketball and also drawing.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Anand and I'm from the 20th school, class 9A.
Wow, so we have a lot of artistic people here, I would say. And now for Team Limitless Brain.
Hello, my name is Batsoruk. I like to listen to music.
Hi, my name is Tiril. My hobby is listening to music and playing volleyball.
Hi, my name is Unmukh. My hobby is playing chess and football.
Hello everyone, my name is Taugurtan. My hobby is playing basketball and riding a bicycle.
Hi, my name is Amrutshun. I'm in the 10th grade. My favorite hobby is collect something.
Collect something? Yeah. May I ask, what do you collect?
Coins.
Coins, wow. Very interesting. Okay, I noticed all of you guys are boys. Why is that? That's very interesting. You don't know? Okay, well, that's fine too. Okay. Very nice to meet all of you guys. And now we have 3 stages, okay? 3 stages of games. And before that, I would like to thank our sponsors. So Brainwave is actually brought to you by MNB and Faro. Faro is an English training center, and Faro means lighthouse in Spanish. So thank you again to our sponsors.
Мэдлэгийн далайн гэрэлт цамхаг болъё. Faro Education.
All right. Since we are all ready, I think, let's start with our first game. It is called the synonym game. So let me explain to you guys what the rules are. So the rules are, on the screen over there, we will have one word. It can be any word, okay? And under that word, we will have random words. And each team member will have to find one synonym of the word that's on the top, okay? And each person will say one synonym, one by one. If they can't find one, we will start counting down from 10 to 0, okay? 10 seconds. And in total, the team will have to find 10 synonyms. Are the rules all understood? Okay. Do you have any questions? No questions? Okay, then let's start, shall we? All right. Now let's look at the screen and look at the first synonym. The first team will be crystalline. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Let's look at the screen. Provide. Provide. Hopefully you know this word, and we will start now from the first member. Find one word.
Supply.
Supply. Good. The next one.
Donate.
Huh?
Donate.
Donate. Okay.
Deliver?
Deliver. Okay. Your word was?
Present.
Produce. Did we say that?
Produce. No, it wasn't said. Good.
Spare?
Spare. Okay, good. The next one.
Dispense. Dispense.
Dispense. And the last one?
Cater.
Cater. All right, let's congratulate Team Crystalline. Very good job. All right, since our team members have found all of the 10 synonyms, let's see if they are actually correct. Judge, will you please tell us?
All right. Okay, I have to say that Crystalline got all of them correct. Good job.
Wow, amazing job, amazing. Wow. Okay, so since they got all of 10 right, that means they get 10 points. Congratulations. Congratulations. Wow, that was a very good job, wouldn't you say? Do you agree? Are you ready to beat that?
Yeah. Yes.
Good, amazing. So let's see what the word for these 5 gentlemen is. Let's look at the screen and look what the word is. Achieve is your word. I hope you guys know this word, and let's start with this gentleman over here. Good luck.
Achieve. Win.
Win, okay. Good, the next one.
Accomplish.
Accomplish. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6,
Celebrate.
5. Celebrate. 10.
Earn.
9.
Earn.
Earn. Okay, good.
Win.
Win, it was already said. You have to find another word. 10, 9.
Obtain. Complete.
Complete. Good.
Reach.
Reach.
Admire.
Admire.
Obtain. Obtain.
Obtain.
Emerge.
Emerge. And the last one? Finish. All right. Very good job. Let's congratulate them. Okay. Very good job. Did you feel nervous? Yeah. A little bit? Yeah. Well, that's okay, because this is the first round and you will get warmed up, okay?
Yes.
All right. Very good job. Let's see if your 10 words that you found are correct. Judge?
Limitless Brain put up a good fight. However, they got 3 words incorrect, therefore leaving their points at 7.
7 points. Good job. That's a very strong 7 points. Good job. Would you please let us know what the incorrect words were?
The incorrect words were admire, celebrate, and emerge.
Okay, let's actually discuss about the meaning of the word achieve. What does it mean in Mongolian? To achieve something.
Achieve. Yeah. Achieve. 작은 хүрэх.
Very good. Ямар нэгэн зүйлд хүрэх гэсэн утгатай те. Okay, why was the word, for example, admire not correct? What does admire mean? Okay, if you don't know, that's all right. That means you can expand your vocabulary by these 3 words. Admire actually means to respect and love something very much. Хүндлэх, те? Бишрэх. Very good. And what was the next word?
Celebrate.
Celebrate. What does it mean? Тэмдэглэх. Yes. You guys are wearing Santa hats. Celebrate. You can celebrate what? Christmas and New Year, right? And the third word was?
Emerge.
Emerge. What does that actually mean? Emerge means ямар нэгэн зүйлээс өөр нэг зүйл үүсч гарч ирэх гэсэн утгатай байсан. За, very good. That's okay. You got to know and learn new 3 words. Okay, very good job. Let's congratulate this team once again. All right. Now we have our points for both of the teams for the first stage, 10 points and 7 points. But this is not the end. Now we will move on to the second stage, and it is actually debate. Now we have our stage that is debate. So let me explain to you guys what the rules are. So firstly, we will have a topic on the screen, and then each of the teams will have 5 minutes to prepare their points and arguments. After that, the team will have 2 minutes to speak, and then we have rebuttal, which means the opposing team can rebut and ask the opposing team very, very interesting questions. And I think this should be a very good debate battle. All right, are you guys ready?
Yes.
Yes? Okay, so Team Crystalline is going for the negative, right?
Yeah.
Yes, negative. And this team is? Affirmative. And the interesting thing is they didn't know which one is affirmative and negative, and they don't know the topic yet. So, if we're all ready, let's look at the topic. And the first team that'll go will be our team, Limitless Brain. Okay, let's look at the screen. Cell phones should be banned in schools. Your 5 minutes of preparation start now. And you guys can talk to each other, work as a team. This is a very controversial topic, I would say. Yeah. All right, the last 10 seconds start now. Let's count down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. All right, I hope both teams are ready. And the first team will be Limitless Brain. Are you guys ready?
Yes.
Very good. All right, so now you will have 2 minutes to speak, as I said before. And if you guys are ready,
Yes.
let's start now. Good.
Nowadays, cell phones are instead their parents.
Using cell phones is bad for their health.
Students will play mobile game in the class.
Cell phones should be banned in schools because if students use cell phones in school, they want to do their lessons and it makes addiction.
Cell phones don't need to study.
All right, you have 1 minute and 30 seconds left. You can use that time and make sure that the judge hears you and speak up. 1 minute and 17 seconds. These 2 minutes are for your team to speak. You can add more information to the remaining points. 1 minute to speak left.
Cell phone is waste students' time.
Why?
Because he said
Why?
students are playing mobile game in their class and Facebook. It's give them addiction.
Addiction. 5 seconds left.
Yeah.
3, 2,
Using phone is bad
1.
for the children's brain.
All right, time is up. Very good job. Let's congratulate Team Limitless Brain. Good. All right. I think you guys did a very good job, especially in terms of participation of all the members. And so your main points were that in school, phones usually distract children, right? And they can't do their homework or whatever they have to do in school. Yes. Okay, very good point. Now, according to the rules, you guys will have 30 seconds to prepare your rebuttal. And after that, you will have 30 seconds to rebut and ask them a question. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, 30 seconds of your preparation start now. Let's look at the screen.
I'm going to say teachers should put more attention to it. And if they do, then it goes.
Last 5 minutes. Wow, you guys are already ready.
Yeah.
Cool. Okay, time of your preparation is up, which means now it's time for you guys to rebut. And once again, we will have 30 seconds for you guys to rebut and ask them a question. Okay, let's start the time.
For school, teachers are always watching the kids, and it is our job to make sure we're not using our phones all the time. Also, what if we get an emergency, such as we need to call our parents or we need to call the ambulance? What if we don't have a phone when there's an emergency right at hand? That is our question.
Well, not every kid uses
Your time is up. You have to very carefully keep up with the time. Very good job. I think that was, 2 valid points. Congratulations. Now, once again, Limitless Brain will have 30 seconds to answer that question and prove your point. Okay? Are you guys ready?
Yes.
Cool. Let's start 30 minutes. Remember that you have 30 seconds to answer the question. Now, prepare. Yes.
That's incorrect. That's incorrect negative. That's incorrect sentence.
Because?
Because answer is cell phones should be banned in school.
Okay, time is up. All right. Do you guys have anything else to add? If you do have, we can have another round of rebuttal.
Yes, we do.
Yes? Yes. Okay, so this is our final rebuttal. So this time you guys will have to be prepared for very pressing questions. Okay? All right. Good luck to both teams once again. Another rebuttal. Let's have another 30 seconds of preparation.
Okay. Well, what if we need to use the calculator? We need to, it's very essential to the lessons right now as if in this. And also, not all kids are addicted to the phone, so other kids kind of have their rights taken away by banning cell phones.
10 seconds left?
It's their own phones.
3, 2, 1. All right. Time's up. I also think that was a very decent point. And now for Team Limitless Brain, this is your last chance to rebut. Okay, your 30 seconds to respond. Start now. 30 seconds. Now we have 20 seconds. I know. Were you guys ready for this question or something? No? All right. Okay, unfortunately, the time is up. And, well, obviously, to some requirements, our judge will give us points, but I think we will have to give him a few seconds or minutes for him to add up all of the points and assess you guys. And that was it for our debate. What an interesting debate. Very, very good points. I think you guys did an amazing job. Let's congratulate both of the teams once again. All right. In the meantime, while he is getting ready to tell us the scores, I want to ask you guys, do you actually agree with that statement personally? What do you think?
Use their phones in advantage and play games while the teacher is not looking.
Oh, definitely.
But sometimes some students use it to actually learn information, you know, learn new words or use calculators like they said.
Yes. So that was definitely a very controversial topic.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Since our first team, Limitless Brain, gave us all of their points, and now it is time for Team Crystalline. Are you guys ready? Yeah. Okay, so that means we will have your 2 minutes to speak start now.
Okay, well, my first point is that we need to find search information from our phone in some subjects such as biology and physics. It's important to share that information with the others, with your classmates. So I think it's very important to do that.
Today is the 21st century. It means it's an era of information and technology. So we can't live without information. Cell phones are best way to get and find information from.
And also, they might occur in emergency, like as if the mother went to a car crash, or they have to go to attend to a funeral, or the school might be on fire, or a gunshot could be happening.
Yeah. And also, we can use Google Translator. It's an easy way to learn new words. And the dictionary is large, and if you use this, our back will hurt. It's not healthy.
For school or our math subject and many other subjects are getting hard as we get older. So one of the reasons we need the phone is to use calculator in math class and also take pictures of our homework when you can't write all of it down.
We have 40 seconds left. You can use that time if you want to.
And about there is a camera on cell phones, of course. So what if we need to record the experiment like this, lessons, and then listen again that and write down that? It's a chance to.
Also, we can save our teachers' phone numbers on our phone whenever we can, so that we can ask them questions later at home. Okay.
15 seconds left.
Information.
And also, kids write and type on phones much more faster than on paper, so they can just write down on their notes on their phones as well.
3, 2, 1. All right, very good job. Let's congratulate them. Okay, so your main points were the fact that phones can actually be very useful at school and in the process of learning. And your second main point was that there can be emergencies where you just have to use your cell phones.
Yes.
Okay, very good 2 points. I hope you guys listened very carefully, because now it's time for Team Limitless Brain to, first of all, prepare for 30 seconds what you will say to rebut, and you will have to prepare a question to ask them. Are you guys ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's start 30 seconds for your preparation. All right. Good job. All right, Team Limitless Brain, your time for preparation is up. And now you will have to rebut for 30 seconds. I hope you guys are prepared well. Are you?
Yes.
Okay, good. Let's start the 30 seconds. Go, good luck.
Do you think every children use cell phones for correct information?
Using phone has got a bad and good advantages.
5 seconds left. 3, 2, 1. Very good. I think Team Limitless Brain really got to the point. straight up. So their question was, how can you know that every single student is actually using phones, you know, for lessons? And now, Team Crystalline will have their 30 seconds to answer their question. Let's start the time, 30 seconds.
Okay, so it is our teachers and students' own job to
30 seconds are for you to speak.
Oh, yeah. Speaking.
Yes.
Okay, the teacher should put more attention and they should be more strict. Then the children might be more scared of the teacher and they might just not use their phones for gaming and playing.
It's students' own job to make sure they're using the phone for good.
It's their
Because
own will.
teachers can't be looking at every student. And we have to learn information for our own self. We're going to school for our own sake.
All right, time is up. Okay, I think that was a very good answer. So there are two ways, as you said, to control if every student is using the phone for lessons, right? The first way is for teachers to control the kids, right? And the second one is?
For the kids to control themselves.
Which I think would probably go down to their parents, but I think those were two good points. Very good job. Let's congratulate them. Okay. The first round of rebuttal was very interesting. Now it's time for me to ask Team Limitless Brain if you guys have more questions to ask them. Do you want to do the rebuttal again for the final time?
No.
Or do you think, okay, you think you've done enough?
Yes.
Yes, okay, very good. Well, now that brings us to the end of this stage. I think that was a very feisty battle. Good job, both teams. And now we will have to let our judge assess your English speaking skills. And in the meanwhile, I'll ask you a question. How much experience do you guys actually have of debate? Have you done debate before?
I haven't done debate.
Never.
Never?
This is my first time.
First time?
Yes.
The other members?
I have a few, but of course it's in Mongolian. So it's first time to English. First time in English.
Oh, okay. For first time, that was, I think, a great job. Okay. And what about Team Limitless?
First time.
Also first time.
Yes,
You never did debate before.
Yes.
All right. Was it nerve-wracking? Were you guys nervous?
Yes.
But regardless, you guys did an amazing job. And now I think our judge is ready with our answer.
Leaving you guys with a total of 9 points, whilst Crystalline is on the lead, has led the whole competition by 16 points, and that's today's competition. So good job.
All right, so 16 points and 9 points. Very good job and congratulations to both of the teams. I would say you both did a very good job. And this means Team Crystalline is the winner of today's episode. Congratulations once again. Okay, even though they are the winner, this doesn't mean the end of anything, so don't give up in learning English. Yes. You won't give up, right?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So, I'm very glad that I'm going to see you guys on the next stage. Good luck in the following stages.
Мэдлэгийн далайн гэрэлт цамхаг болъё. Faro Education.
Our show Brainwave is sponsored and brought to you by MNB and Faro. Faro is an English training center, and I would like to thank our sponsors once again. Thank you so much. We will see you guys next weekend. Goodbye.